मला बंगला नको गाडी पाहिजे राजा मला नऊवारी साडी पाहिजे मराठी इज लिटल बिट बेटर दॅन हिंदी
मी तुझ्यावर प्रेम करतो.
आय लव्ह यू गप्पास चुप आय विल सॅक्रिफाइस माय सेल्फ
मीनिंग इज नॉनसेन्स.
तुम ही हो
हाँ.
मेरी जिंदगी अब
See,
तुम
you don't know meaning. नमस्ते दोस्तों,
ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और आज मुझे पता नहीं भगवान क्या स्पेशल है.
तो आज की इस वीडियो में मैंने कुछ मराठी सेंटेंस लिखे हुए हैं. मैं बेटा को बोलूंगा, वो मेरे पीछे रिपीट करेगी और उसका मीनिंग इंग्लिश में बताएगी. तो मतलब आई वांट टू सी हाउ
चलो
मच.
देखते मेरे मराठी कैसे है.
सो वी वांट टू सी कि हाउ मच बेटा नो मराठी.
मेरे मराठी थोड़ा सा बेटर देन
हिंदी. माई हिंदी ऑल्सो इज नॉट दैट गुड बिकॉज मेरे स्कूल में मतलब जब मैं 8वीं क्लास में था ना तो ऑप्शन था संस्कृत या हिंदी. तो मैंने संस्कृत मींस आई चूज संस्कृत. सो आई नेवर स्टडीड हिंदी.
संस्कृत चूज किया.
Okay,
That's
so
why I don't know Hindi. Okay.
okay,
let's
so
get-
few sentences I will
Chalo.
say in Marathi. You have to repeat after me, and then you have to
My repeating is good, but understanding I don't know.
then you have to say like what does it mean in English. Like you have to give some meaning. Okay.
Let's go.
So first sentence, I think this one you know, means mostly you hear. तू काय करत आहेस?
I didn't know anything till now. he
But I
didn't
don't know
say
anything. I
anything
wrote
to me.
by myself and now in front of video I am telling her.
काय करत आहेस means what you are doing.
Oh.
My Marathi is little bit better than Hindi.
You don't
Hindi
know,
is
so
all
much better
kharab.
than Hindi.
So much better than.
Even whenever I speak Hindi, I mix Hindi Marathi. So beta also became like that only. तुला काय झालं?
What happened to you? तुला काय झालं?
How you know this one?
I know. काय झालं means what happened.
Huh.
And tula means you, for you.
तुला काय झालं? I didn't expect. Okay. This one you know. Always you say to me, Gabbas.
Gabas. Chup. Means be silent.
मी थोडासा बाहेर जातो.
मी थोडासा बाहेर जातो means little bit I will go outside.
Everything you are saying.
Because
Oh.
it's not that hard, whatever you
I thought you don't know this one also. Really? I am surprised now. I have to be careful
Really,
what I am
I'm
talking to.
saying? Really? I thought
I
something
feel-
so hard you chose.
All sentences you know.
Say then.
I feel.
Then by yourself also you can say something.
Okay. माझे डोके दुखत आहे.
दुखे. माझे दुखे दुखत आहे.
हाँ.
Don't say, but
हाँ.
you are saying कि my somewhere is paining.
हाँ.
Dukhe, I don't know. Wait. My eyes.
ना
Dukhe.
ना.
Don't say. Dukhe. Dukh. Eyes is
Eyes is डोळे in Marathi.
डोळे.
हाँ.
हाँ. माझे दुखे.
हाँ.
Neck.
ना.
No, neck is gardan. Gardan, you
हाँ.
say? Dukhe. Dukhe. I knew it, but I forgot. माझे दुखे दुखत आहे. दुखत आहे ना?
हाँ.
How I
You are
understood
right.
कि
Only
दुखत
thing-
means paining. I think I just heard
You
from
heard
you.
somewhere. हाँ.
माझे दुखे दुखत आहे. माझे, wait, let me guess. दुखे. Head?
हाँ.
Head. माझे दुखे then why you say why didn't say sar?
Sir is Hindi.
Oh,
Duke is Marathi.
because in Farsi we say sar dard.
In Marathi we say डोके.
माझे दुखे दुखत आहे. Just
मी तुझ्यावर प्रेम करतो.
I love you. मी तुझ्यावर प्रेम करते. This is the first sentence that I learned from Bhagwan. First time I came to India,
हाँ.
I was saying to him in Farsi we say Dusat Daram or Ashagatam.
In Farsi they have so many expressions.
Means I love you. Farsi is so. I'm not saying for that, but really Farsi is so nice language. For expressing love, 1,000 words, 1,000 sentences.
Lot of words. For
Like we
greetings
have
and this thing, they have so
Porpunat
many
Beram.
things. You'll get
Porpunat Beram
mad.
means like तुझ पे फिदा. I will sacrifice myself for
Meaning
you.
is nonsense.
We have
Jigar thala. Jigar thala is what?
wait, means golden liver.
Golden liver.
Or if you want to like give so much love to someone, we say duret tegada. Means I want to make a circle around you.
Ashagatam Sudaram. Jigar thala. So many.
So many we have.
In Marathi trend was going on like means if someone asks to her girlfriend or wife like Jevliska means like
he
expressing
loves to-
love like something like that.
माझे दुःख दुखत आहे.
That was different.
No, I'm just saying, but that one I didn't know. I think if I start learning Marathi fast, I can.
But you are not learning. I send her lot of videos, series. She's not learning.
I will start.
Guys.
I'm lazy.
Alright.
I'm
Say
a
something to her in
lazy
comments.
girl.
तुझ्या आईचा फोन आला होता.
तुझे आईचा
फोन आला होता.
आला होता.
हा.
Your mom missed call came.
Call came.
Call came from your
mom. Mom had
तुझे-
called.
When you say,
Huh.
I can understand meaning, but when I want to make sentences,
Sentence?
I cannot.
Okay.
तुझ्या आईचा फोन
आला होता.
call आला होता.
Call means like yesterday.
Oh, I thought call you're saying.
No, call आला होता. Your call is different. And
Then
call.
how you say call?
Call.
Meaning of this sentence is what? तुझे आईचा
Your mom
mom
had called. Means your mom had called. She called before some time like this.
No, but you are saying तुझे आईचा
फोन आला होता.
call आला.
Sorry, call आला होता.
Call this call or call?
No, call.
Uh-huh.
How? Call is like yesterday in
Then I
Marathi.
thought you were saying that one. I was like, how then?
Call ना, I said phone. Phone आला
Phone
होता.
आला होता.
हाँ.
Uh-huh.
तू खूप हुशार आहेस.
So much. तू खूप हुशार.
So much.
Just तू खूप होशियार आहेस. होशियार is Farsi.
Huh.
Means you're so
No,
smart.
हुशियार you say in Farsi.
हुशियार.
In Marathi only हुशार.
होशियार.
हाँ.
But it's same, na?
It's similar but I'm just saying.
So it means I'm so smart, which I am.
अरे.
You don't think? Don't you think?
थांब जरा.
Thamzara, stop little bit.
How? Whatever I wrote, everything she said
I
correct.
know. I think if 3 months I stay in your family house,
Huh.
I can learn. My Marathi will become good.
But nowadays she can talk to my family on call.
No, means if I am with them, I can.
I know, but still you can
for
talk to them
everything
on
I
call.
can. Mhm.
At starting, she was not able to talk anything, but now she can speak. If I am also not there, she can call and speak.
Huh.
Really?
My Marathi is little better than Hindi.
No, so much better than
Hindi
Hindi.
is so kharab. बिल्कुल नहीं आते हैं. हिंदी बिल्कुल नहीं आते हैं. But I think because a lot of people said to me till now, I think my accent is so good.
Accent, yes.
Because in Iran,
Because she know a lot of
people-
Bollywood songs. She don't know meaning, but she know.
Huh. Also, I know properly. I'm not saying my accent is same like Indians
Huh.
because I cannot understand.
Huh.
But lot of times people said to me that your accent is so good. Like if some Iranian person want to speak in Hindi,
Huh.
they say like, let's suppose, तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो,
Huh.
मेरी जिंदगी अब
See,
तुम
she don't know meaning, but she
हो.
know song.
But if some Iranian person with Iranian accent wants to sing,
Huh.
तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो, मेरी जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो.
One
It's
song
like
also you know in Marathi. Remember in Goa you were singing. नको मला.
नको मला बंगला नको गाडी पाहिजे, राजा मला नऊवारी साडी पाहिजे.
So good.
नको मला बंगला नको घर पाहिजे, राजा मला नऊवारी गाडी पाहिजे. Nonsense I'm saying.
Whatever I wrote, everything you said only other than one. That
Then you
okay.
can say one hard thing. Like
One heart.
full sentence, not like one only. Let's see if I know.
मी खूप थकलो आहे.
मी खूप थकलो आहे
हा.
because I'm so tired.
How you know this one?
I'm your wife.
But I never use this word in front of you.
Me खूप
Because
थकलो.
generally we speak in English.
In Hindi also
mostly.
it's same. That's why I know.
हाँ थकना so
थकलो, थकला.
थकलो है. Wait, now something
Something hard to say.
harder. Whatever I think is hard is easy for you nowadays.
I'm so shocked. Everything he asked me till now I know. Other than one head.
हाँ
दुखत,
डोके
दुखे,
डोके something.
देख, दुखे.
I think this one is hard. You never heard.
Say,
Like
I can guess.
तू अभ्यास केला का?
तू अभ्यास,
तू अभ्यास केला का?
तू अभ्यास केला का?
हाँ
Something have you done?
हाँ.
अभ्यास.
That word she never heard because
तू
no one is using
अभ्यास
generally.
केला का?
हाँ.
Shower? No.
No.
Shower is angul.
Angor, angor.
Angor.
R, you can pronounce
Angor.
properly.
Angor.
Even Hindi people also cannot pronounce R.
I can do
Say
angor.
Angora.
Angora.
Still better.
Angora.
हाँ
Hura.
हाँ.
So abhyas. Have you
Thanks.
slept?
Nah.
Have you abhyas? Abhi I know it means now.
Maybe you heard in
I have
society.
but I don't remember.
Society.
Again say this.
They always say to children.
Again say the sentence.
तू अभ्यास केला का?
तू अभ्यास केला का? Are you good? No.
Something. It is like some activity or something like that.
I heard.
I know you heard in society.
Maybe in situation if I heard I can.
Then explain a little bit. Then I will.
तू अभ्यास केला का?
हाँ.
Means like I heard he's asking from children. Like do अभ्यास केला का?
हाँ.
Means, you have energy or no?
Nah.
Have
It's related
you-
to
have
school
you-
or something.
I don't know.
Abhyas is like study.
Oh, this I didn't know. तू अभ्यास केला का? हाँ.
That one.
But I heard, I think.
In society, they always say to their children whenever they play,
अभ्यास केला का?
तू अभ्यास केला का?
हाँ.
नाहीतर जा अभ्यास कर. Means go and do.
जा अभ्यास कर.
Go and do study.
हाँ.
Something like this they say. This one I think you don't know. तुला पोहता येते का?
दुला
पोहता येते का?
दुला पोहता येते का?
हाँ.
I'm surprised that I understand sentence.
हाँ.
Like, do
Same.
you
Only
know-
one word. That is the
Yete-
thing.
Yete means you know.
हाँ.
Dula means you.
हाँ.
So what
Only
that
one word.
word?
If you know that
हाँ.
one word, then sentence
Dula?
is ready. पोहता येते का?
पोहता येते का?
हाँ.
पोहता.
हाँ.
Dance? No.
Some
Dance is not.
activity. It is like something related to sport.
I understood.
हाँ.
तुला पोहता येते का? Drawing.
No.
पोहता. तुला पोहता येते का? Dance. Drawing.
You like so much that activity.
Cricket.
No, Baba, cricket. I
I
also don't know in Marathi what they say for cricket.
Cricket one द्यायचं ना.
No, but in
तुला
Marathi also
पोहता
they
येते
have.
का?
Huh.
Karate? No.
You like so much that activity.
Dance.
Miss, not that much.
Zumba? No. Zumba के हम
Less than
same.
dance. But you like.
Less than.
In our society also you did.
Swimming.
Huh.
Ah. तुला
Never
पोहता-
heard? Maybe those women said to you.
Maybe.
Huh?
तुला पोहता येते का? हा येते. येते. And one last
Last,
Ask.
little bit harder.
very hard. But I'm surprised. The
Hmm.
sentence I'm understanding.
Most of things you know. हाँ, मी जॉबला जात आहे, माझ्यासाठी जेवायला बनव.
मी जॉबला जात आहे.
हा.
माझ्यासाठी जेवायला बनवा.
बनव.
I will go to job
हा.
and for you make food for me.
For me.
For me, ठीक है?
हा.
Then I said for me.
अरे.
For then what I
I'm
said?
saying I'm going for job.
You make food for me.
हा.
Then same na. I said,
You make food for me.
Same I'm saying. You for me.
अरे. So
Which
good.
one?
Your Marathi is so
Try.
good.
काय
Really?
तुला पाहिजे मैं बन होते
मला-
काय
मला-
जेवण
हा
काय जेवण तुला पाहिजे मैं बन
मला
होते
पुरणपोळी पाहिजे.
पुरणपोळी मला माहित नाही.
तुला काय माहिती आहे?
थांब जरा मी तुम्हाला आई कॉल करते
हा?
और
तुझ्या आईला कॉल करते.
तुझ्या आईला कॉल करते
हा?
और मला बघून
What you want to say?
कैसे बन होते
विचारते कसं बनवते.
मला विचारते कैसे बन होते.
मी विचारते.
मी विचारते कैसे बन होते.
So good. पुरणपोळी. But I like so much पुरणपोळी.
Once this one only I say, then we can stop it.
हा.
Once I remember first time I went alone outside in India in Pune. I went to buy ananas. Bhagwan was at home. I told him that I'll go alone. I will go with some Iranian friend, but I went alone because it was his birthday. I wanted to buy cake also. So I went and I remember that ananas guy on Gari was there. My Hindi is so kharab. So in Marathi only I said, "Don diya." Then he's like, "Where is Bhagwan? Where is your husband?" He was asking and this thing. I said, "Gari." Then he's like, "Oh, gar." And he was just, I was understanding, but my Marathi was not good to make full sentence. He gave me 10 rupees less. And he's not understanding English. So I was like, तुम्ही 10 rupees just get le. Really? Then he was like, maybe that time I was saying gete, not get le. I was not saying properly. Then he was like acting like he's not understanding and I'm saying nonsense. He was like, barabar.
Barabar means like everything is right.
I said, nahi barabar nahi. Then one girl was there, thank God, she knew English. She said, what is your problem? Like, what happened? Can I help? Then I said, my Marathi is not good. So I'm trying to explain him that 10 rupees he has to give me back. But he's not giving. Then she said,
Then he gave?
Then he gave. Okay guys. धन्यवाद.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, subscribe मत भूलना. फिर मिलेंगे.
If you like this kind of videos, please comment so we can make different like Hindi, what Bita knows in Hindi or like this. Also, we made one website there we are putting different things. Me and Bita made one small course like one PDF for learning Persian, as you can speak basic Persian. So I'll put that link in description and comment so you can go and check out if you like.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
फिर मिलेंगे. Bye.
Bye.